Hello and welcome. This is a purely educational video and I'm not going to make any buy or sell stock recommendations. Today we are here to speak about a promising company's potential and performance. The company that we will talk about is Tata Consumer Products Limited. In a nutshell, it is an integrated F&B company. It has the rich heritage of Tata behind it, which constantly influences its value fundamentals and growth strategies. Right now, it is aspiring for a larger share of the FMCG world. To show for its success till now, it is amongst the top 10 F&B companies in India. It boasts of products like Tata Tea, which is the second largest tea brand in India. It also is considered the number 2 branded tea player globally. Furthermore, it has products like Tata Salt in its portfolio, which we basically see every day in our own home. And apart from that, it has products like Himalayan in its portfolio, which is right now the number 1 natural mineral water brand in India. Their growth strategies and their mission statement is definitely doing something right, which is reflected in its 23% growth year on year as of Q3 FY21 and further its profit growth of 12% year on year in Q3 FY21. To delve into more detail, we can see that their India beverage business grew by 45%. Their India food business grew by 22%. The Tata Salt business itself has grown by 19%. And if you really look at it, the Tata Salt Light revenue grew by a phenomenal 110%. So, if you see, the revenue share is mostly captured by the India beverages business, which makes it a really important segment here. India Foods definitely does not lag too far behind and cannot be neglected, but yes, India beverages looks like the way to go for them. Lately, their focus has been on changing their value proposition from basic necessities to must-haves, and they're doing it by giving additional value to their consumers. For an instance, if we look at their new product line Tata Sampann, they have quality-centered staples in this line, which may even be organic, and they're definitely high quality given Tata's exacting standards. To move on, if we look at their joint ventures with Nourishco and Starbucks, these are both centered around additional value of 1, health and wellness, and 2, experience. Nourishco is their venture with PepsiCo, and it is generally focused on non-fizzy and health and wellness focused drinks. Starbucks, which they had started as an alliance, has added 13 new stores during December, taking the total to 209. And what Starbucks sells, as we all know, is experience, along with great coffee. Now, when we talk about their acquisitions that they've done lately, we can see that they acquired Kottaram Agro Foods, which we commonly know as Soulful. This is a breakfast cereal brand which is very different from the others because it uses the Indian superfoods like ragi, and this should make it very lucrative for the modern Indian. It has also lately acquired Big Basket, and we all know what Big Basket is. It is a unified marketplace, and what it gives to Tata Consumer Products is an integrated supply chain that will give growth opportunities to all of its brands and make them reach the consumer easily and faster. So, as we can see, all the actions that they have taken lately has been focused around their mission statement, adding goodness and adding value. And when all the synergies point to the same direction, the company is bound to grow. That's all I had to say about Tata Consumer Products. And definitely, I think it's a great company. Have a good day.